Assalamu alaikum students, for you all students. This is mathematics class for grade 7. As you know, we are discussing nowadays exercise 13a, in which you are calculating area and perimeter of different 2D shapes, in which circle, triangle, square and rectangles are included. So in the previous lectures we covered up to question number 5. Okay, now we'll discuss about question number 7, because now in this exercise you will come across different questions in which you have to find the area of shaded region. Shaded region means that if, say for example, if a rectangle is given and a circle is evacuated from it, and you have to find this shaded part, the area of the shaded parts, how can you do it? So simply the dimensions of rectangle will be given to you, and also the radius is given to you. So you will find the area of the whole figure like rectangle, and then you will subtract the area of this circle. In this way you can easily find the area of the shaded part which has been shaded in this shape. So similar questions, just a little bit different question related to this skill will be solved here. Please see the question number 7 which is given in your exercise. I'll solve question number 7 of exercise 13a, which is somewhat like this. All of these are identical, and they have given us that this is total 9 meter, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 3. Now as you know, these shaded lines, they have been drawn for your understanding. They are not a part of the shape. So what will you do? You will find you have to find the area and perimeter in this question. And what will you do? You will find the area of the whole figure, and you will spread the area of circle, because the fourth part of a circle is called quadrant. Quadrant is like this. This is quadrant. Okay. So if there are 4 quadrants, it means the full circle is complete. So what will you do? You will find the area of because all of them, they are identical, so it means when you will join them you will get a circle whose radius will be 2. So just what will you do? This is total 7. So in order to find the area, what will you do? You will firstly find the area of rectangle, which is 9 into 7, 63, and then you will subtract the area of circle from this. So you will get 63 minus 22 over 7 multiplied by 2 square. So 63 minus 88 over 7. So after calculating this, you can easily find the area of shaded part, which is this. Now for perimeter, what will you do? This is minus 2 minus 2. Total is 9, minus 2 minus 2. So it means this is 5. It means this is 5. So you will add 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. 4 boundaries, and for these circular portions you will find the circumference 2 pi r by using 2 pi r. Okay. So for perimeter of this figure you will write 2 pi r plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. So in this way you can easily find perimeter as well. So I hope that you have understood the concept. Okay. It was a simple question in which you have to find the area and perimeter. For area, you will find the area of whole figure, and you will subtract the area of circle from the whole, from the area of whole figure. And for perimeter, you will just consider the boundaries, this plus this plus this plus this, and circular portions as well. Because all of the circular portions, they are identical, so you will subtract the, you will add the circumference 2 pi r to 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5. So in this way you can easily find perimeter. So the rest of the questions you can do at home. Okay, the rest of the exercise I can give you question number 10 as exercise, as homework. Question number 10 is your homework, and question number 9 is your homework. Okay, so I hope that you have understood the concept, and if you have some type of query, you can ask in the group. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.